Just 80 seconds, and watch what onion silently activates inside your body. The moment you bite into onion, powerful plant compounds begin their journey inside you. In the stomach, onion releases sulfur compounds and antioxidants that support digestion and gut balance. These nutrients pass through the intestines, entering your blood and fueling your entire system. Onion supports healthy circulation, helping the heart pump more efficiently. Anti-inflammatory compounds help muscles recover, while minerals support bone strength. Onion activates the liver's detox pathways, helping flush toxins from your body. Quercetin and sulfur compounds strengthen immunity, helping your body fight infections naturally. This is the complete domino effect of onion, quietly protecting, cleansing,